How are you all doing? Welcome to this video, guys. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you are looking for something to help you with your weight gain, something that can help you with your energy, and that's why I'm here to talk to you about Mitolyn or Mitolyn. So Mitolyn is a dietary supplement, and it's designed to enhance the mitochondrial function, targeting improved energy levels, targeting your metabolism, and it has anti-aging benefits. Oh, it sounds like a dream come true, guys. Something that has anti-aging benefits, right? So that's why I'm here to talk to you about Mitolyn, which is a fantastic dietary supplement that has been helping so many people. Stay right there, okay? But before we move on into actually talking about Mitolyn, I want to give you just a little quick heads up. If you want to purchase this supplement, which I'm pretty sure you already do, I left their official webpage in the description box of this video because I know that the internet today, it's kind of this place where you have to be careful, right? So this is the official webpage. You make a safe purchase, you get your hands on some really great affordable Mitolyn, and there's so many infos there for you as well. So the link is right here below this video. Now, the cool thing is that its formulation is built around the purple peel exploit, leveraging the antioxidant-rich maki berry. Now, this product, it includes 6 key natural ingredients, guys. That's why Mitolyn's effectiveness stems from its focus on enhancing the mitochondrial function, which is crucial for cellular energy production and metabolism. Did you actually know that by targeting these multiple aspects of health, Mitolyn aims to create an optimal internal environment for weight management and just like your overall vitality, which is really, really cool. So this supplement's approach is not just about, let's say, suppressing your appetite or, in other words, boosting your metabolism temporarily. It focuses on improving your body's fundamental processes that contribute to energy production, to long-lasting fat burning, and overall health. So this holistic approach makes Mitolyn a comprehensive solution for those looking to manage their weight and improve their overall well-being naturally, okay? That's why the Mitolyn manufacturers, they guarantee that you get results for the long run as well. The cool thing about these ingredients is that it does have maki berry, which we all know is high in antioxidants, and it supports your cellular health and reduces your oxidative stress, which is fantastic. And then there is also rhodiola rosea, it's an adaptogen, that boosts endurance, it boosts up your focus, and it's also stress resilience. And of course, astaxanthin. This provides anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties, guys. And amala, there's also theobroma cacao, which is known for improving mood and your energy levels. And last but not least, of course, Chisandra, that's a hard word for me to say. This is great because it supports your mental clarity, it supports the health of your liver, and it reduces your fatigue. So in other words, Mitolyn, it has so many interesting things about it. It helps you to lose weight. It helps you with your mental fogginess, with your cognitive abilities. It helps you enhance your metabolic health. It helps you to also have a lot more energy, and it helps you to have beautiful skin. So take your treatment with Mitolyn very seriously if you want to have great results. Use it for 3 or 6 months, okay? And every day you're going to be using it. And there's a 90-day money-back guarantee, which is 3 months. So if you don't like Mitolyn, simply request a refund by talking to customer service, okay? Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you guys out. I'll see you folks next time. Bye.